Every day, millions of people touch it, fold it, and spend it without ever really seeing it. But hidden inside this single sheet of paper
異常を確認 UI で回転させて
了解データ再解説開始
is a story of obsession, security, and craftsmanship that spans decades. This is the 10,000 yen note, Japan's highest denomination. And what you're about to witness is the extraordinary journey of how raw fiber becomes one of the most secure banknotes on Earth. Behind blast-proof walls in Tokyo, inside a facility few ever enter, hundreds of highly skilled technicians work in silence. They are not printing paper. They are engineering a masterpiece. The paper itself is a secret recipe. Mitsumata, abaca, and cotton, mixed to create a texture no counterfeit can copy. A portrait of Eiichi Shibusawa is engraved into steel, then pressed into the paper with 100 tons of force, creating ridges you can feel with your fingertips.
Knives spinning right, clean cut.
Hidden watermarks appear when held to light. Microtext, invisible to the naked eye, spells out the name of the central bank. A holographic stripe shifts from gold to green, and under ultraviolet light, cherry blossoms glow like ghosts. Every single note is unique. Every serial number is magnetic. Every defect is rejected and destroyed. What follows is the complete uncut story of how Japan manufactures its 10,000 yen banknote. No narration, no music, just the raw, immersive sound of industry and the cinematic vision of currency coming to life. If you made it this far, you are the kind of viewer who appreciates true craftsmanship. So here is what you can do. Like this video to support deep documentary storytelling. Share it with someone who loves hidden details. And subscribe to join us on future journeys inside the world's most fascinating factories. The machines are warming up. The presses are rolling. Let the documentary begin.
Aligning the focal plane? There we are. Now let's examine the consistency of the printing across the sample.
50, 100, 150, 200. Check. 250, 300.